Hi everyone, it's Therese. I am back with another video, and today is a video response for Mona, who's doing a Destash Challenge giveaway on her channel, and her channel's name is 63sonotech /US Traveler, and I'll have her link down below if you want to go check her out and join in. I know she extended her giveaway to the 24th, I believe, and I wanted to share what I created for her. And I've already done a memory decks card for Mona, and then I had these tiles that I made for the Scrap Bin Saturday, and I thought I'd add it to this card. She said to be creative and in your own style, and since she had a really bright colored memory decks card, I wanted to give her a vintage one. So this is my memory decks card. I used the Heidi Swap memory decks die, and I used paper from my stash. I added my two tiles. I spelled her name. I added some lace from my stash, and here's some flowers from my stash as well. I love these soak flowers. Here is like a bouquet of roses that I put some ribbon on, and I distressed the edges. So this one turned out really cute. I really like how that one turned out. And then this one is the banner. Or, I don't know, she says she's not going to use it as a banner, so she didn't want any holes, and I added this damask paper from my scrap bin. I did it on the back, and here's my info, and then I used another tile that said wonderful, and then I added fantastic and sweet. And then I added some bling. This is a Prima flower from Tuesday morning when it was like $1 or something. So I love the color pink, so I added that there, and this was already on there. And then I added some more of those ribbon roses from my stash, and then that's it. Oh, and I added some bling. I hope I said that. So this is her banner piece and the memory decks card for Mona's. She's doing a Destash giveaway challenge, and so Mona, I hope you like what I created. You're getting a second memory decks card from me. They're two different styles, so I hope you like it. So thanks everyone for watching. I'll have her link down below if you want to go check her out, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.